What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install some new kidney grills. These are gloss black, the dual slat, like M3 style kidney grills. And I'm going to show you a really easy way to remove the original ones. The reason why I say easy way is because some people like to pop the hood, take off the weather stripping in the front, take out a lot of bolts, and to be able to reach their hand from under the hood. And so that makes it a lot more difficult job, which is kind of unnecessary. Here are the brand new kidney grills, just in time for BMW invasion. Hard to do this with one hand. Boom. That nice gloss finish. So all it is really just these tabs right here. So on the OEM ones, you just want to reach in with your fingers and pull these tabs down, while at the same time applying outward pressure so that the tabs don't fall back in, because you want to do this on all 8 tabs, excuse me. Even though this may be a little bit simpler than removing the weather strip and all that, it still requires a good bit of finagling to kind of get these tabs loose and make sure that they don't go back inside. So I'll start with the right side first. Just want to pull the tab. At the same time, pull the kidney grill. There, it's snapped. Now you want to keep pulling on the kidney grill to apply the pressure and just go down the line. I believe those two are out. Top one's out. All right, that one's out. This side's out. Now these bottom ones, a little more tricky. Just want to keep playing with them, finagling. There you have it. So you don't want to apply too much pressure. You just kind of want to stick your hand in there, push it down, and keep wiggling and pulling out, probably putting some pressure on the bumper as well. So let's put on the new one. So guys, this is also a good technique. If you just fit your hand in the second one over to the left, that way you can use one of your fingers to pull on the side and one of your fingers to pull on the top clip. So you just want to do that, pulling on both, and you can see it's popping out. Well, I've loosened those clips, and I can't do it with 2 hands. I'm holding the camera, so I'll go ahead and do the rest as well. This is the old kidney grill. You can tell right here it's got a little scratch, just some minor imperfections all around. So now we are clean with some freshies. And it's got the dual slat, so it's updated look. We got perfect fitment too. Not very expensive either. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description for you guys. So guys, that pretty much does it. Another mod in the books. Got some fresh kidney grills. So if you like this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button and hit the bell notification for future uploads. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.